YouTube? Dub G back at you again with another sneaker review. This time I'm bringing you the Nike Air Raid in that black flint gray white colorway. You got your retail price right there. Now let's see what's up with the shoe. As you can see, it has a nice tumble leather on the upper with a mesh patch right there on the side. You got your thick white outsole right there. Your little hint of Nike right there on the little side of the toe, whatever. You got your straps on the side right here. Got your toe box with your nubuck right here in gray. Some of this leather right here on the lace. You got some black laces with your mesh tongue right here. You got the strap. You got your Nike Air branding in gray with your nice tumble leather. Got the side right here. Got the Air Raid right there on the strap. Back side right here. For outdoor use only. Thanks for watching my vids. I'll have an on feed coming soon, so don't miss out. Alright, late.